morning to one and all. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Narayan Rao Kovur. In this video, we will discuss the details of international trade. What is the meaning of international trade? What are the other names of international trade? What are the benefits of international trade? And what are the arguments against trade openness? So now let us examine first what is international trade. International trade involves exchange of goods, services and resources between countries. International trade also involves transactions between residents of different countries in multiple currencies. This is the meaning of international trade. So now let us examine the other names of international trade. The other names of international trade are foreign trade, external trade, or global trade. These are the other names of international trade. Next, what are the benefits of international trade? So now let us examine point by point what are the benefits of international trade. Point number 1. International trade lowers production cost and raises living standards. Production costs decreases. Level of living or standard of living increases. Second one is increases foreign exchange for imports. International trade increases foreign exchange for imports. When there is a international trade, there is a increases foreign exchange for imports. Third one is international trade strengthens foreign exchange reserves. When there is a exports and imports are there, automatically the international trade strengthens foreign exchange reserves. Fourth one, diversifies markets and stimulates economic growth. International trade diversifies markets, extends markets, extension of markets, diversified markets, and stimulates economic growth. Economic growth increases. Fifth one, promote efficient resource use and division of labor. With the help of international trade, this international trade promotes efficient resource use. We utilize the resources efficiently and with the help of division of labor. Next, sixth one, offers wider choices for consumers. With the help of international trade, it offers wider choices for consumers. When there is a international trade is going on, if we need some of the goods which are not available in our country, in such a case, so we obtain the goods from other countries through international trade. That means offers wider choice for consumers. Next, seventh one, reduces domestic monopolies benefiting communities. When there is a international trade is there, so it reduces domestic monopolies. Monopolies means single seller. So reduces domestic monopolies and benefiting communities. Next, another one is eighth one, sparks technological innovation and development. There is a scope for technological innovation and development. That means international trade sparks technological innovation and development. Next, ninth one, helps emerging economies improve and move up the value chain. So, with the help of international trade, it helps emerging economies. Emerging economies means developing economies. It helps developing economies improve and move up the value chain. Next, 10th one is contributes to human resource development. International trade contributes human resource development. That means development of education, development of skills, development of dexterity, development of experience, etc. So, contributes to human resource development. Next, 11th one is strengthens international cooperation. International trade strengthens international cooperation. Next, 12th one generates dynamic economic gains. When there is a international trade, that generates dynamic economic gains. So, economic gains are generated in the economy. These are the number of benefits from international trade or the benefits of international trade. So, now let us examine next what are the arguments against trade openness or arguments against international trade. So now let us examine one by one. One is unequal benefits for countries. So these benefits are not equally distributed. When there is a international trade, so benefits are received. These benefits are unequal benefits for countries. Some countries get more benefits, rest of the countries get less benefits. Second one is economic exploitation by stronger companies. There are different kinds of companies are there. Mainly stronger companies or bigger companies are there. This economic exploitation by particularly stronger companies or bigger companies. Third one is environmental harm and resource depletion. So, environmental resources are damaged. Environmental resources are damaged, and also environmental resources depleted or decreased because of overuse. Next, fourth one is economic crisis can spread rapidly. When there is a international trade is going on, if economic crisis are happen, so that can spread rapidly through international trade. Next, fifth one, over reliance on foreign nations. When there is a international trade, so we exported goods to other countries, we imported goods from other countries, services also, resources also. But in such a case, sometimes we over reliance on foreign nations and some other nations over reliance on our nations or our country. That means over reliance on foreign nations. Next, sixth one, risks during wars and political disturbances. When there is a international trade is going on, when there is a political disturbances or wars taken place, so at this juncture, so there is some risk. That means risks during wars and political disturbances. Next, seventh one, misallocated investments, diversion from genuine needs. So in this regard, when there is international trade is going on, investments are wrongly allocated or misallocated, particularly, and these investments diversion from genuine needs. Next, that is misallocated investments, diversion from genuine needs to unnecessary needs. Next, eighth one is risk from policy changes. When there is a international trade is going on, countries changes their policies like tariff, import bans, etc. In such case, there are some risk from policy changes. Next, ninth one, lack of transparency in trade policies. The trade policies between the countries are not transparent. That means lack of transparency in trade policies. These are the disadvantages of international trade or arguments against trade openness. So thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe and comment.